Hello friends, today we are going to study about the nitration of the benzene. As nitration of the benzene is an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction means the substitution of hydrogen of benzene by electrophile. Since benzene undergoes substitution reaction preferably than the addition reaction, as we have studied in our last lecture, why benzene undergoes substitution rather than addition reaction, because in substitution the aromaticity of the benzene ring retained, while in addition aromaticity of the benzene ring lost. That's why benzene undergoes substitution reaction rather than the addition reaction. The basic mechanism of substitution in benzene. First step is generation of electrophile. Since benzene contains a pi electron cloud, that's why it is electron rich, so it is susceptible to the electrophile attack, because electrophile are the electron deficient species. So any reagent which contain electrophile and nucleophile in the presence of catalyst is used to generate the electrophile. Catalysts help to accelerate the reaction by the generation of the electrophile. They do not consume in the reaction, they regenerate at the end of the reaction. So in the presence of catalyst, electrophile will generate and this nucleophile will form a bond with catalyst. In the second step, the generated electrophile attack on benzene ring to form adenine ion. It is a benzene ring. Electrophile attack on the benzene carbon-carbon double bond. Since this bond can be break in any direction, in this direction or in this direction, because it is an unsubstituted benzene ring, so bond can be break in any direction. For example, if I break this bond in this direction, so electron density will increase at this carbon, so electrophile will attack on this carbon and here positive charge will come because this carbon will become electron deficient. Now it is called adenine ion, and this adenine ion is resonance stabilized. It is called adenine ion, and this adenine ion is resonance stabilized. It can undergo resonance like this. Here positive charge will come and new bond will form here. This bond can be broken in this direction also. It undergoes resonance. It is a resonance. Now positive charge will come here and a new bond will form here. So these are the adenine ion and it is resonance stabilized. Resonance stabilized adenine ion. Now the next step is loss of proton to form substituted product. In this step, a proton will lost from here, and these two electrons from the come here will be donated here to give the substituted product. So it is substituted product. So it is the general mechanism of the substitution in the electrophilic substitution reaction in the benzene ring. Now you have understand the general mechanism of the electrophilic substitution reaction in the benzene. Now goes to the main topic, nitration of the benzene. The main reaction for the nitration of the benzene can be represented like this. The reaction of the benzene with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of H2SO4 to give nitrobenzene is called nitration reaction of the benzene. This benzene, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. The reaction takes place at nearly about 60 degrees centigrade temperature, and it is nitrobenzene. This is our main product. So first step is here, the generation of the electrophile. Here the electrophile will be generated is the nitronium ion. Nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. Nitric acid can be represented like this. Since this oxygen has a lone pair of electron, that can be accepted by the sulfuric acid. This lone pair of electron can attack on this proton, can abstract the proton to form an intermediate. Now it is a very good leaving group. It can be cleaved from here. The electron, the bond between the nitrogen and oxygen will be cleaved, and this electron will be taken by the oxygen to remove the water molecule and to form the nitronium ion. The next step is attack of nitronium ion on the benzene ring to form selenium ion. Now the nitronium ion will attack on the benzene ring. This double bond can be break in any direction because it is an unsubstituted benzene ring. For example, I am breaking this bond in this direction. If I will break this bond in this direction, then the electron density will increase at this carbon. So the electrophile, that is the nitronium ion, will attack on this carbon to give selenium ion. Here the positive charge will come and NO2 nitronium ion will attack on this carbon. It is called the selenium ion. And this selenium ion is resonance stabilized. It will undergoes, this nucleus undergoes resonance. It can accept the electron from here. This bond will delocalize. It will undergoes resonance. It can also undergoes resonance. So these are the various resonating structure of the selenium ion that gives the stability to it. These are the resonating structure of selenium ion. Now the next step is loss of proton to give substituted product. So the product generated in the second step, that is the arenium ion, undergoes loss of proton. Here the proton will be lost from here, H positive ion will be lost from here, an electron of this bond will be donated here to give the nitrobenzene, and this proton will be accepted by this HSO4 negative ion to regenerate the catalyst, that is H2SO4. So it is all about the nitration of the benzene. It is the mechanism. First step is the generation of the electrophile, that is the nitronium ion. The electrophile will be generated in the presence of catalyst. The role of the catalyst is to generate the electrophile. The catalyst does not consume in the reaction. Their role is to generate the electrophile, and they regenerated in the last step. The second step is the attack of the nitronium ion on the benzene ring to form the arenium ion. The arenium ion generated in the second step is resonance stabilized, can undergo resonance. In the third step, the proton will be lost from this carbon and to form the substituted product, that is the nitrobenzene. So it is all about the nitration of the benzene. Thank you so much.